MassDEP VOC Monitoring. What are volatile organic compounds or VOCs? VOCs are pollutants that may exist in the air, water, and soil. They are emitted by fossil fuel combustion, manufacturing processes, commercial and household products, and natural sources. Common examples include benzene or formaldehyde. VOCs can contribute to ozone formation and some can adversely affect human health. MassDEP monitors VOCs at 4 different sites: Boston, Chelsea, Lynn, and Weymouth. MassDEP collects 24-hour air samples every 6 days at each site. MassDEP has a public dashboard to view VOC data. This video demonstrates how to use the VOC dashboard. Use the sample date slider in the top left corner to adjust the start and end dates for displayed data. You can also select the calendar icon next to the dates to open a calendar view to choose start and end dates. Use the VOC name box to the right of the date slider to filter data by specific VOC. Either scroll or search to find a VOC. Only one VOC can be viewed at a time. Use the site box in the middle to filter data by site. You can also select sites by clicking on the location on the map in the top right corner. Hold the Control key to select multiple sites. Click anywhere on the map to remove this filter. Data can be viewed by sample date, a monthly average, or annual average using the time interval box. Monthly and annual averages are based on the time period selected in the sample date range. Make sure an entire month or year is selected for these averages. VOC data can be considered void for many reasons. Only valid data is submitted to the EPA's Air Quality System Database or AQS. All data is included on the dashboard for informational purposes. Use the Display Void data box to either include or exclude void samples. To reset the dashboard's data filters, use the Clear All Filters button at the top right corner of the dashboard above the map. Air Guidelines. Most VOCs have associated air guidelines developed by MassDEP to evaluate potential health effects. These guidelines are compared to long-term average levels in the air. More information on the guidelines, called Threshold Effects Exposure Limits or TEL and Allowable Ambient Limits or AAL, can be found in the Additional Information and Disclaimers section of the webpage. If a VOC has an associated guideline, it will display in the Air Guidelines box when the VOC is selected. If any sample in the displayed date range exceeds the TEL, an indicator line will display on the graph. The other tabs located at the bottom of the dashboard contain useful information. The How to Use tab outlines everything in this video. All valid regulatory data is submitted to the EPA's Air Quality Systems Database and is available at epa.gov/AQS. The AQS Codes Info tab has the needed state, county, site, and VOC parameter codes to retrieve data from AQS. For more information, please reach out to Sean Dunn, Deputy Division Director of the Air Assessment Branch.